Today's lesson is called Inverse Products, and to start we have a multiplication problem. 7 times 6 equals blank. So let's go ahead and take 6 bead bars of 7, okay? So here I have my 7s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we need to take 6 of them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And 7 times 6 equals, do you know the answer? You can pause and call it out. It is 42. So we are going to make that vertically right here. Now, I don't have any of the golden beads, the tens bars, so I'm going to use these instead. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so our answer is 42. So there's 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, and then we're going to use this for our 2. Okay? So 7 times 6 equals 42. And I'm going to slide this up just a little bit. Okay. All right, now we're going to show 6 times 7 equals blank. So we need to take 7 bead bars of 6. Here's my 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to place it on that same felt, but we need 7 of those. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and let's line these up nicely. Okay, and do you know the answer to 6 times 7? You can pause, think about it, and call it out. Yeah, it's 42. So we need 4 10s, and they're not all going to fit in the frame unless I move my bead bar out of the way. Let's do that. Let's slide this up so we can see everything together. Okay. There we go. Just barely fits. Okay, so we need 4 10s. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we need a 2. Okay, so 6 times 7 equals 42. Okay, so we call 7 times 6 the inverse of 6 times 7. And what do you notice? Yeah, so the answer is the same. The products are the same, but the problems are different. Here we have 7 times 6, and here we have 6 times 7. So we change the position of the two factors. All right, and you can do other problems like that as well. See you next time.